guys, what's up? It's Apple Critics from applecritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you watchOS 6.2.5 that was released today. So this is Apple's latest and greatest watchOS. So in this video, I'm just going to be going over all the key features that are now available in watchOS 6.2.5. Now to start off is the size of the update. So the size of the update is 105 megabytes, so that's a pretty decent size of an update. It's the 8th update for watchOS 6 since it first came out as watchOS 6.0, so there's been 8 updates since. And this is basically the final update of watchOS before watchOS 7 Beta 1 comes out. So this is the final update you can expect, and this was released earlier today. Now, to prove that I'm on watchOS 6.2.5, you can go into Settings. And then once you're in Settings, you can go into General. And then About. And then you're going to see that we have the software of watchOS 6.2.5 there. And we have the build number of 17608. And then we can go into Software Update right here. And now it says the Apple Watch is up to date, so that confirms it. Now we can take a look at my Apple Watch app, and then we can go to General, and then we can go into Software Update, and it says watchOS 6.2.5, so your software is up to date. So that confirms it right there as well. Now there is some battery life improvements within watchOS 6.2.5, and there also is some other bug fixes, and there is the VPN issue that was fixed, and there also is contact tracing for COVID-19 in the Apple Watch. So if we go into Settings, and then we go all the way to where it says Health, you'll see that there will be an option for the contact tracing, and you just have to enable it in the iPhone Apple Watch app, and then you can have it on your Apple Watch. So you can see that there's just a lot of great features, and this just solidifies the update. Now, Saudi Arabia also does get the ECG feature and the irregular heartbeat feature as well, so it gets those two important features as a part of 6.2.5 update. And there has been some reports that the digital crown has been bricked, so the crown was just stopped working there, but now that hasn't been happening to anybody, so that was the issue with the previous betas. So that's good that it has been fixed. Now there is some new watch faces, so if we tap and hold, and then we scroll all the way to New, and then we use the crown, so you're going to see that there's two new Pride watch faces that Apple added to the Apple Watch. So those are the main features that Apple added in watchOS 6.2.5. Now the overall performance of watchOS 6.2.5 has been great. The app switcher is very quick. The multitasking is just as good as you would expect. It's quick to go into other apps. You can see that there's no lag whatsoever. And you can see how fast the performance is and has been. So that's the upgrade for watchOS 6.2.5. There's not too many features other than the new watch faces and Saudi Arabia getting the ECG and irregular heartbeat notification. Now there is contact tracing, but overall the update is pretty much the same, and watchOS 7 beta will include a lot of good features. Now in order to update the Apple Watch, just go ahead and go into the Apple Watch app on your phone. Now in order to update your Apple Watch, all you have to do is just go into the Apple Watch app on your phone and then go into General, and then Software Update. And then you just have to put your Apple Watch on the Apple Watch charger. So just have the Apple Watch on the charger and then make sure it's 50% and over. And then you can go ahead and update the software from your phone. So you just hit download and install and make sure your phone is close to your Apple Watch. And it's just that simple. So that is how to update. So thanks for watching this video on the Apple Watch. Please be sure to subscribe. If you like this video, please smash the like button down below so you know you watched. Also be sure to check out other videos on my channel. Be sure to check out applecritics.com for latest Apple news and more. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. My username there is AppleCritics. And be sure to subscribe for more great content. And thanks for watching.